Hey guys, what's going on? Nick's Wrx here, back with another video. It's been a long time coming, but we're back with the 2018 Wrx base that I just picked up. I'm gonna be going mod by mod on this channel, showing you guys everything. I've been very inactive with videos, but we're back. So I'm just gonna give you a quick little rundown exactly of what we got on the car right now, because kinda went a little fast right off the rip. In the first week we had the coilovers on it and we had the wheels on it within probably 6 or 7 days. So I'm just going to give you an outside view of the car first for right now, and then we'll go to the inside in the next video. As you can see, a little sneak peek right there, but we'll keep talking. So I have a lip coming in. I have the DRL fog light bezels, the sequentials coming in as well this week that I'm going to have 2 videos going out on. I also just have the simple SubiMods white and black logo. I'm on BC Extreme Low coils. I don't know if you can see them, but they're in there. I'm also on Enkei RPF1s, 18 by 9.5 by 38. I don't know if you can kind of get to see the angle of those, and the back, same situation. Just got a little bit of slight camber on them. I don't know if you could see from this angle. You probably can. And also the showstopper is the custom clear taillights that I got done to this car. They look amazing on the white. As you could tell, these are insane. It perfectly matches with the white. These are ridiculous. I got these custom made for around $450. The lights work and everything. The little upside down C, that works perfect. Honestly, just amazing. And we also got the SubiMods on the back. Crazy, crazy, crazy. The car looks so good with those. We also got some outside tints. As you can see, I'm in there. But we're in the Boxer Squad chapter of New York. Honestly, guys, loving the car so far. So happy to be back. Just giving you a quick little overview of the car. We're going to be doing installations and everything just to try to pick the channel back up, because we got a few subscribers, but we've fallen off. Also, I forgot to mention this before. The CatBack exhaust is an MAPerformance full CatBack with, I think those are 3-inch tips. They're pretty small. But the exhaust sounds great, guys. It really does. Yeah, so we also got my boy's 2022 Wrx out front, and we got a Q50 right here. So yeah, we're gonna be making some videos, going to car meets and everything, but this is it right now for the progress. This is what she looks like. We'll be back in the next one for more. I appreciate everybody watching this. If you made it this far, drop a comment. I appreciate you guys. Till the next one, I'm out.